The secret journey of the $100 bill begins.
Lease. Additional colors are added to the notes. Machines synchronize every movement perfectly. The famous blue security ribbon.
Special security inks are applied carefully. Invisible features become embedded, appearing under UV light. The process requires exact precision. Huge cameras scan every printed sheet. Computers inspect thousands of details instantly. Defects are detected automatically.
Raised ink printing adds texture. Powerful presses create tactile surfaces. Young East Asian female workers check the feel of the notes.
Sheets enter a special numbering station. Unique serial numbers are printed. Every note becomes individually identifiable. Computers track every sequence. High-speed scanners verify serial numbers. Digital records update automatically. Millions of numbers are processed daily. UV inspection stations light up the room. Hidden security features become visible. Young adult workers verify special markings. Robotic systems package currency bundles. Plastic wrapping secures the stacks. Labels provide tracking information. Automated equipment works rapidly. Section Gamma. All counts confirmed.
Acknowledged. The AGV is cleared for transfer.
Look at this fluctuation in the supply chain metrics right here.
Yes, the efficiency dropped in the southeast sector. We need to adjust the coordination immediately.
I agree. The real-time data confirms the bottleneck.
A shipment schedule appears on monitors. Transportation teams prepare deliveries. Security plans are reviewed. Routes are carefully.
Bay 4 secure. All containers verified.
Copy that. Proceed with sealing doors.
All units, convoy is green. Depart in T-minus 30 seconds.
Confirmed. Dispatch. Rolling now. Everything is confirmed on the tablet. All checks passed. Very good. Approved for transport. Seal the container. The armored convoy exits the factory. Security vehicles accompany the trucks. Gates open under close supervision. The convoy moves toward its destination.
Security team, verify status of Convoy 4 at grid reference Zulu 5.
Copy that. Continuous tracking established. The operation is secure. A dramatic overview shows every department: printing, inspection, packaging, and storage. Hundreds of workers coordinate seamlessly. Machines